Good morning. I am Varalakshmi from Department of Civil Engineering, Marilakshman Reddy Institute of Technology and Management. So today we are going to discuss the failures of earth dams. Okay? What are the failures of earth dams? Before going to the failures, what is the structure of earth dam? Okay, first we know that what is the structure of earth dam. The earth dam is in trapezoidal shape. Okay, where the earth dam is trapezoidal shape. The any type of dam, the top is known as the top width. Here it is top width is also known as crest width. The minimum distance of crest width is 10 feet. Okay, so the top width is also known as crest width. It is about 10 feet. Next, we are providing the freeboard. We are providing the freeboard. The minimum height of freeboard is 3 feet. And FSL, full reservoir level, full sea level, full reservoir level. Okay. So, this is the water storing level. After the water storing, we are leaving 3 feet space as a freeboard. Okay, and this one is called the upstream side and this one is called the downstream side. Okay, the upstream slope is 3:1. Preferable slope is 3:1 in upstream side because it stores heavy water compared to downstream, so we prefer the 3:1 ratio in upstream side and 2:1 in downstream side. The preferred slope ratio is 2:1 in downstream side. Okay. So, to protect the structure from water, in gravity dam we are using water stops, but here we are using the rip-ran pipe. That means a rock boulders will place on the place on the upstream face. Okay, a rip-ran pipe is the boulders. Similarly, the downstream is also protected with rip-ran. Okay, compulsory we are provide filters here. Okay, so some filters are provided here. Next, fast free valve. Valve is also provided for water disposal. Okay, the the base of the dam is in trench shape. The base is constructed as a trench shape. Okay, for natural ground level. This is the structure of the earth dam. The trench must be 3 feet depth. Next, so this is the shape of the dam. What are the possible failures? See, may cracks will appear, This concrete failure, toe failure, erosion at outside, scoring will occur. It is called the toe failure. And middle of the dam, water will come from middle of the dam piping. So these are the major seepage failures. Water will leak from the soil. So these are the major failures possible from the earth dam. So these are the failures. Piping failure. This is the piping failure. Toe failure. Cracking occurred. Seepage failures. So all these are the possible failures of the earth dam. The causes of failure of earth dam as hydraulic failure 40%, seepage failures 30%, structural failures 30%. So major portion goes to hydraulic failures. In this class, we are going to discuss about hydraulic failures only. What are the hydraulic failures. Hydraulic failures are divided into four types. First one, overtopping failure. Second one, wave erosion on upstream face. Erosion of downstream face by gullying to erosion. Okay. So, first we will discuss with overtopping. What is the overtopping? Name itself represents overtop. That means water flow from the top of the earth dam. Water will flow from the top of the earth dam. Then automatically due to high pressure, the dam will collapse. That is called the overtopping. How it will happen? If we did not provide accurate reservoir depth, then it will happen. So there the storage floods are more. Almost every year 100 meters flood occurring in that area. But our design is only 80 meters, it store 80 meters depth. So what about remaining 20 meters depth? It will flow to downstream. How it will flow? It will overflow on the dam. So automatically dam will collapse. That is the overtopping. Water flows over the top of the dam, which is highly undesirable. This may happen when the design flood is underestimated, spillway is of insufficient capacity, faulty operation of gates, insufficient freeboard. Since the earth dam cannot withstand the erosive action of water spilling over the embankment and flowing over the dam downstream face, either complete or partial failure is inevitable. So you can see this one. So how the water is coming from the top of the embankment. So water is coming from top of the embankment. So when water is coming embankment, automatically here there is a big hole is created, collapse the earth dam suddenly. Next important feature is wave erosion. Waves already we discussed that waves are very much high pressure. Waves are created high pressure. The pressure is also calculated in second unit. So here also waves created a much force on the dams. If the dam upstream surface is not withstand for that pressure, the shape of the upstream face will change. So that leads to failure of the earth dam. So that's why we are providing riprap as a protection work. Initially we have seen that this riprap is the protection work from wave pressure. Okay, so we are providing riprap. Waves are generated on the top of water surface due to winds. These waves may try to notch out the soil from upstream face and may even cause the slip of the upstream upstream face. So this is the waves generated. This way, when continue hitting of waves, automatically the material loses here. The white shows the losing material. Slowly again it also loses extra. So like the failure of the dam will take place. Next, third point, erosion of downstream slope by gullying. Downstream face is affected and eroded by heavy rainfall impact, and the rainwater flow over the downstream face results in the formation of gullies, and they may erode the downstream slope. So we know the gullies, when heavy rainfall occurred on the soil, automatically create a small gully and flow through along in that gully. So here in reservoirs also there is a possibility of forming heavy gullies due to high rainfall or high downpour. This may cause it due to insufficient drainage. To prevent this kind of failure, horizontal bombs may be provided to reduce the velocity of flowing rainwater. Okay, so this is the gully formation. You can see how the gully is formed. So this is the gully. Water creates gullies in the dam. Now, next erosion, toe erosion. The toe means downstream side erosion. Toe erosion may occur due to cross currents that may come from spillways, buckets. Erosion due to tailwater pressure. To avoid toe erosion, a rock riprap may be provided near downstream toe up to tailwater height over a filter medium. Side walls of spillway must have sufficient height. So to reduce the toe erosion, heavy riprap is provided. The filter size is calculated accurately, and side walls of spillway must have sufficient height. Okay, so these are the precautions. Why toe erosion occurs? Due to the pressure created in the downstream side. So this is the toe erosion. This is upstream side. Water is seeing na? This is upstream side. This is the downstream side. So due to heavy rainfall or any other reasons, the downstream is eroded. Here it is eroded. Soil is eroded and water is flowing in downstream. So this is the toe erosion. So these are the different types of erosions due to the hydraulic failures. Okay. Thank you.